iGDP Just Transition Observatory is bringing Chinese experts on just transition to Spain to have a first-hand look at how Spain is tackling some of these difficult just transition questions. This activity is the mirror of a similar activity that we had in April of this year. We brought some of our partners from IE to China to get a first-hand look at the way Chinese organizations and Chinese policymakers are addressing just transition. And as part of that trip, we also had a work-study tour to Shanxi province where we met with Shanxi Co-Share. Shanxi Co-Share is a local Shanxi NGO that looks at a variety of things, but is doing really excellent work on just transition.
So we are here from the iGDP Just Transition Observatory, and we are visiting this area that used to be a coal mine and now it's been restored. This is part of an exchange between China and Spain, different stakeholders from the public and the private sector, as well as civil society organizations. And we want to learn more about how just transition is done in reality. We wanted to see what are the different projects that are being done here in this area of Spain, which is Ponferrada in León. We are learning about how is the restoration, how former coal workers are being hired to do that, and how this area can be used again by the communities that are surrounding the area in order to create new business opportunities for the communities and doing different things related to active tourism and to solar energy production and some others. There are many different synergies between the way China and the way Spain is addressing just transition, and we are learning more from each other about best lessons and how to move forward.
The observatory work based on dialogues with policymakers, local communities, academia, public and private investors, and implemented partners enables our team of researchers that are coming from China, from Spain, but also from other countries, from Asia, from Latin America, from Africa, and from Europe, to ground and to develop their work with a very solid base. That is first-hand experience, qualitative and also quantitative data, and combine it with secondary resources.
I learned a lot from this study tour. I joined several seminars and fully talk about with the local people. And I think what I learned is the need to support the displaced workers. All in all, I think this study tour not only deepened my understanding of just transition, but also inspired me to promote the sustainable and equitable change in my country.